Hey, what's going on, Street Drip Squad? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for tuning in today. We got a pretty cool video. I want to do something for you guys, for all the Audi S5 owners. You guys have reached out to me. You guys have shown a lot of love. I appreciate you watching my videos on all the mods that I've done. But there's always that question that I've been getting for some time now, where everybody asks, what should I do for my first mod? It's kind of hard to say because it depends on what you're looking to get, or you know, what you really want. Everybody has a different opinion. But today I'm gonna give you mine. We're gonna run down the top 5 mods that you should have on your Audi S5, and a lot of it's actually really easy to do. It's inexpensive. Maybe you could do it yourself, but like I said, it's inexpensive, so it shouldn't hurt the bank too much to get this done. So we're gonna go over that. But before we do that, you know what we gotta do. Here we go, guys. Yes, sir. Get this cars out of the way. Jeez. Woo. Fireman over there. I don't know if he's gonna snitch.
Hey, yo. No matter what, dog, don't snitch.
I ain't saying nothing, dude. You know me, I'd die before I turn snitch.
Slow down. So we're gonna check this out over here, new undisclosed area, and see what's popping. Here we go, guys. Look at this beautiful stretch of road. We got half rain, half sun. We're on the sun side now, and you can see the rain down there. Yes, sir. Had to do it for you guys. She's nice and warm, and we're gonna pull up, find some area, and start this video for you guys. All right, guys, here she sits in all her glory in this beautiful, nice breezy day. We're gonna talk about these mods. So let's start it off. The first one that I would recommend doing is appearance-wise, and one of those things you're actually looking at, but you can't tell until I point it out. But that's the lowering springs, guys. Look at that. So basically, when you get this factory, it's going to be on the same 20-inch wheels that this is, obviously stock wheels, but same size. It's going to be a lot higher than what you see here. It's going to look like an off-road truck, and you won't notice it until you actually lower it or pull up to somebody who is lowered and compare it to yours. You're like, damn, this thing looks like an F-150. So that's one of the things right here. We have the 034 springs, and that's how it sits, as you can see it here. This thing has been serving me right for 3 years now, no issues. And we could do the finger test. You got one finger space right there, as far as the back as well. You can see how nice and lovely she's sitting there. Really nice tuck. And I think this one, yep, same thing, one finger gap as well, and it fits perfect. As you look at it on the side angles as well, this is no spacers. But if you did have the stock wheels, you would get the spacers, which that goes to number 2, guys. Got to do the spacers. Really easy, inexpensive. When I first had my stock wheels, it was 10 millimeter on the front, and I did 12 millimeter on the back. It was ECS. Spacers, real easy to do. I did it myself in the garage at home. And that's pretty much it. I mean, the only time it takes is literally taking off the tires and popping it on. But really easy mod, and it'll fill the gap. It'll actually give it the appearance that you have now, because the stock wheels is 20 by 9, and this right here, as it sits, is 20 by 10 all around. So that's the stance that you get with it. So those, first off, 2 mods, really easy to do, pretty inexpensive in their own right, and you can just drastically change the look of the car, as you can see here. Really nice, guys. All right, so we got the hood up. This one, performance-wise, or the next 2 I'm going to talk about, are performance-based. And once again, really easy mod to do. You could do it yourself. Can't be scared. If not, grab a buddy. I did it myself. This was one of the first mods. Is you got to have the intake, guys. This is what's going to give you that beautiful sound. Have that turbo spool, that turbo whoosh. That everybody loves to hear. This is what's going to make the car sound really, really nice and make it come alive. This thing is amazing, one of my favorite mods. And when I did it, it all came together, especially with the sound. So I'm gonna put a little sound clip for you guys right here so you can hear what it sounds like. Mind you, this is tuned, and I do have the turbo inlet pipe as well. So the sound's gonna be slightly different than what you're used to because this is stage 2. So you wouldn't be having this, but just to give you an idea of what the intake sounds like, let's get to that. So we're gonna try something different. I'm gonna place you guys right here, right by the intake, and hopefully you should start hearing some sounds in a second. Let me just find the right angle. All right, so hopefully you got an idea, and it came out pretty decent. First time trying that, by the way, so you guys will find out when the video's up. All right, guys, so another mod that's next on the list is, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Stage 1 tune, guys. You need that. You need that in your life. Game changer on this car. Once again, something that will completely change the driving dynamics of the car is having that stage 1 tune. It makes this thing come alive. Trust me, when you drive it, you're gonna say, man, this thing should have been like this from the factory. And that's how it moves. It's completely different from the factory drive. Everything comes alive, everything kicks in, and it's like, man, like a caged animal just being let out. So that's one of my favorite things, and completely changed this car and my vision of this car when I did it, was that stage 1 tune. The pulls on that thing are amazing. It definitely felt like, you know, pretty much like my version of a supercar, because I've never had anything with that much power. So doing that really, really felt great, and I loved the way that it took off, especially on the launch. When you do that launch control on stage 1, mark my words, you guys gonna comment below if you haven't already, or if you're gonna do it, the look on your face is gonna be priceless. So make sure somebody's recording that, taking pictures, because once you experience that, you're never gonna see this car the same anymore. And that's exactly what it did for me. All right, guys, and the final mod that definitely is a must-have, really easy to do. You can get this done at any muffler shop that you go to. Your local muffler shop, or if you have somebody already, is the front resonator delete. That thing makes this, once again, I said the stage 1 changes the dynamics of the car. Well, doing that resonator delete will change the dynamics of the sound of the car, because this thing is combined with that tune, definitely makes this car pop, definitely makes it stand out from anything you've ever had before. Highly, highly recommended, guys. They also sell the kits that you can get, so you can get that from 034 makes it now, Integrated Engineering makes theirs as well, and I figured maybe a couple others out there. So you can get the pre-fabbed pipes for the resonator delete and just slap that on. You can do that yourself if you know how to, if you have the ability, or like I said, just take it to the muffler shop that you trust and have them do that mod for you. It's definitely going to change it for you guys. I'm telling you, if you're on the fence of getting an exhaust and you wasn't sure how it's going to sound, you know, everybody always asked about drone and all that stuff, get that front resonator delete. It's going to sound amazing. You're still going to have full control with your valves, so you're going to get the sound out of that as well, and you're going to have an idea what it sounds like to have an exhaust. Definitely a budget-friendly version to do to the car and pretty much put smiles on your face. That's what it's about, because if you're modding this car, that's what you're doing it for. You want to stand out. You want something different. You want, you know, to take your car to that next level, and doing these little things here, huge, instant, out-of-the-box game changers. And then down the line, if you guys want, you can go full on, obviously. but you are going to get that itch. It's like having a tattoo. Once you get your first one, you're definitely going to have ideas and plans on how to get the next one, and it's just going to go from there. Then you're going to end up like me. So you're fully stacked, mods galore, and you don't know where to go from here. So that's pretty much where we're at with this. So you guys comment below, have you done mods to your car? I know some of you have already reached out, like I said, but the ones that haven't, on the fence, did I help you out? Are these 5 mods something that you could possibly do if you're looking to take your car to the next level? Only one of them technically voids warranty, and that's the tune. But don't have to worry about that, guys. Come on, guys. You're getting this car to drive. You're getting this car to have fun. It's a sexy beast. Look at the curves and everything that it has, and you want to enhance it. So having to get that tune, man.
I ain't got no win. Shut the fuck. Shut. Did I say no? Oh shit. Say it again. Say something else. Oh. Say something else.
Don't worry about it. You'll be all right. Well, that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, smash that like. I appreciate all of you guys. You know what? Let's come and have a conversation right here. We're gonna sit down this little park bench on this community that they haven't made yet and have a conversation. To all the subscribers, let me sit down for this. I appreciate you guys for helping me, for all the support, for all the merch that you guys have bought. I appreciate that. Definitely. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you guys have a happy new year. Big blessings to everyone and your family for this coming year. You guys deserve it. We all worked hard. Come on, guys. We're taking this to the next level. I need your help. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe right now. Hit that like. Come on, man. We can do this. You guys can help me, help you to get bigger and better content. But you guys are coming along for the ride, and I appreciate it. It's been a crazy 2024. With all the new things that happen here in Florida, man, I'm telling you, it's I could never think that I would be here, and you guys have helped me out, so I appreciate that. Thank you. I'll continue to make the crazy content that we've been doing, and I'll definitely be thinking outside the box, different ideas that I can bring, different things we could do different on the channel, and possibly more traveling in 25. So we'll take a look at that and see if we can get some out-of-state events, or anything outside of this area as well, and bring that to you guys so you guys can see what goes down in South Florida, because, or not South Florida, Central Florida and South Florida maybe, because they got some heat here, man. I'm telling you, these guys don't play for sure. With their car game out here is clean, like capital C, clean. So that's another thing that I'm excited for, is to venture out and give you guys some different things. And gain that subscribers. We're almost there at the 2K goal that I had for this year. We're just shy of it. I think I need like 20 more. So if you guys haven't hit that subscribe, at least 20 people, you know who you are. Come on, I'll wait. All right, this breeze is feeling good. I might be waiting too long. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching Street Drip. We'll see you on the next one. 2025, baby, we coming. This is a perfect example right here, as we got a nice smooth road. Wife, you didn't like that at all?
And I ended up inside of the Chrysler.
We had a lot of space, and I know what I'm
doing.
doing.
Enough space.
Guys, can you guys comment? Let her know this is not my first rodeo. We do pulls on damn near every video. It's part of the tradition.